In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a startup dashboard in Glide. We'll walk through the exact steps to get your dashboard set up, personalize it with your startup's information, and publish it so it's ready to share or use internally. I'll keep things clear and practical, with tips to make the process smooth. First, go to the Glide website in your browser. You'll see the option to sign in. Click Sign In and enter your account details. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Glide home screen automatically. Keep your credentials private and avoid showing sensitive information on screen during this step. Next, open the project you want to edit. From your list of projects, click the one you're updating for your startup. This brings you into the Glide Builder. You'll see an app preview, some settings on the right, and a left sidebar that organizes your app's tabs and templates. Take a second to familiarize yourself with this layout. It makes the next steps much easier. In the left sidebar, click Dashboard. Glide includes a ready-made dashboard template, so when you select it, the layout appears instantly with structured sections you can customize. This template gives you a strong starting point, saving you from arranging everything from scratch. Now, edit the information as you must. Replace placeholder titles with your startup's name and the metrics you care about. Update text blocks so they reflect your current goals, announcements, or status notes. For summary cards and metric fields, adjust the labels, units, and values to match what you track. If a section doesn't apply, you can hide it or drag components to reorder them for a clearer flow. Keep labels concise and consistent, and format numbers so they're easy to scan at a glance. Use the live preview to check how everything looks on mobile and desktop, and make sure the most important information sits at the top. If you make a change you don't like, use undo to step back. The goal is a clean, readable view that your team can use immediately. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Glide will process your changes and make them live. After publishing, double-check the preview to confirm your updates appear as expected. Anytime you refine the dashboard later, repeat this same publish step to push updates. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.